Welcome to today's question. Now we're going to be attempting the Olympiad Maths question, which is on trigonometry, and it says tan squared x minus 1 all over sine squared x minus cos squared x. Now, we are to simplify this to a single ratio. The first thing I want you to know is, in order to solve this question, I want you to know that sine x over cos x is going to give us what? Tan x. Therefore, when you have tan squared x is the same thing as sine squared x all over cos squared x. So having known that, we are going to apply it into this equation. So this would be sine squared x over cos squared x minus 1 all divided by sine squared x minus cos squared x. So we are going to be multiplying the numerator and denominator with cos squared x. So I will do cos squared x multiplied by sine squared x all over cos squared x minus 1 all divided by, here we are going to also do the same thing here, cos squared x multiplied by sine squared x minus cos squared x. So from here, when you expand this bracket, this multiplied by this will cancel out. So you're going to have sine squared x minus this multiplied by 1 is going to give us what? Cos squared x all divided by, this will be cos squared x into sine squared x minus cos squared x. So now you can see that our numerator and our denominator is the same. So I think this can cancel out this. So we are going to have 1 over cos squared x. Now also, I want you to know from your trig identity, when you have 1 over cos x, it's called sec x. So now, if we have 1 over cos squared x, this is the same thing as sec squared x. And that's our final answer. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and look out for more Olympiad videos.